Welcome to Buildawebs, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you how you can add custom links to the menu in WordPress. You might want to do this because you might want to link to social media accounts or other websites that you want to navigate your customers or visitors to. So let's get into it. So first of all, go to your WordPress dashboard by going to your site name /WP admin, and then go to Appearance, and then go to Menus. Down the side here you'll see there's an option to put custom links in. So I'm going to put a link to my Facebook page for Buildawebs. Just put the link in, give it a name. So this is the Facebook one, and choose Add to Menu. Then I'm going to go and copy the Twitter URL, paste that in, and then call it Twitter. Then add it to the menu, and you'll see that they've both appeared under this menu. I want them to appear under Contact, so I'm just going to indent it there and choose Save Menu. So then when you go to the website, you can click on, for example, Facebook, it'll take you to Facebook, or you can click on Twitter and it'll take you to Twitter. Feel free to check these social networks out, they're in the description below. Now I'll show you how you can do all this in the WordPress Customiser. So if you go to Customize, and then if you scroll down, you should find menus depending on what theme you're using. And then you can create a new menu by clicking that, and then you basically go into it and you can add different sections in. So you can see that I've got these custom links here. I'm just going to delete them. So this is how you delete them. You just click on the downwards arrow and click remove. But if you want to add items back in, you just click add items and it opens up this pane. If we choose custom links at the top, open up, and we can put the same links in again. So just copy this link, paste it in, call it Facebook, click add to menu, and you see it appears under there. I'll just indent it, and then we'll copy the Twitter link and put that in, call it Twitter, and click add to menu. We'll just indent it there, and then choose publish. That isn't quite updated there. There you go. So there's the two available. So again, you click on Facebook, it'll take you to Facebook, and the same for Twitter. If you didn't want to put these as links and you wanted to show them as an icon, you can also do that. So if we go back into the Customize, and then if you go to General, and then you go to Social Network Accounts, it might be displayed at a different place in the theme, but you should be able to do it in some sort of way. And you can add the links in, Facebook and Twitter links. And then when we click on the main row here, we could replace, for example, this button with socials. As you can see, they appear. Usually on most themes that have a header and footer builder, you can change them around in different ways and change it to however you want. And again, when we click publish and we go back out, they can click on it and it'll take them to the Facebook page. So that's just another way of doing it. So you'll learn how to add custom links in WordPress and social icons. If you found this video helpful, please give it a like. If you want to see future videos, please subscribe. I'm Jonathan from Buildawebs, and thank you for watching the video.